I recently made some small trays out of the bottom of drinks cans. It's a 3D printed circular part with a slot which is just the right size to fit the bottom of a drinks can. And the idea behind these is that you put small parts in there like this, screws, and it's a shape that's easy to get them out. So you've got a smooth curved surface and then a lip that you can use to grab hold of the small part. I've also put magnets in so those screws won't fall out, and a bit of crushed velvet on the bottom so it slides around nicely and doesn't scratch on whatever surface it's on. So I made quite a few of these, about a dozen I think in total. So I got 3 and I thought, well, why don't I make a little stand for them? So this is a CNC'd stand with some more crushed velvet and little recesses for the trays, and the whole of that's got some crushed velvet on the back as well, so that's not going to scratch anything. So there's a nice little holder for a set of 3 there, just a little tiny thing. The 3D file for the little holder for the can and the magnet that's inside there is on Thingiverse, so you can find that on there. It takes a 10mm by 3mm magnet which pushes into a recess that's in the printed part. The cans as well, I've got a video of chopping the bottom off a can. You can do it with a pair of scissors, I would have thought, as long as you sort of mark out carefully the same distance around the bottom of the can. That will give you a nice uniform horizontal recess rather than having it on a slant. Not that it would make much difference because you could push it in to such a level that it's fairly flat. But yeah, so set of 3 there.